About this video saying, is Binance Charity real or fake? To me, Binance Charity is not real. It's fake. It's just like Ponzi scheme that they will come in a new strategy, in a new way, telling you invest this and you get this. To me, it is not real. It is fake. So I would rather advise you not to invest any of the amount of money into Binance Charity, because later on, when you invest a big amount of money, is going wide down. So there are some other platforms that you don't have to invest into also. I'm going to show you the video on how Binance Charity is. We have Meta Coin, we have Metadata, we have Morgan Stanley. Those, don't engage yourself in it, most especially Binance Charity. Binance Charity is not a good platform to engage your money into. No, it's not. So I'm going to show you after this, show you guys a very short video about Binance Charity. So about the Binance Charity, so this is site. As you can see, the site is not even going, so it's not really a best place to invest. It's very bad. It's not really a best place to invest. And also, let me show you some other ones. These people keep on sending me message, but which I don't reply. I don't even go to it. They will bring this and that, but I'm not going to reply. This one end up to 200 per day easily and safely. This is this one site. Let me copy it. Let me copy the site only. I'll try and copy the site only. Let me look for a note. I'm coming. Hold on. Be fast. Okay. Paste. Let me copy the site now. Copy. So let me go to the web, my browser. So you see what I'm trying to tell you guys. These are the other websites that I mentioned while I was doing my introduction. So this is one. This one also is not going to. You can see that all these things are scam. All these things are scam. All these things are scam. So let me try the adani.nd.com. www. Let me check. Okay. Let me just clean this. It's just Adani. This one is going. This one is going. But in all these things, they are really scamming. Like right now, we people have just have to be very careful these days. Even the people that are scamming us now, they are now web developer. People just develop a website, not knowing. We just have to be very careful. I don't really know what to say again. There are many ways to make money online, but not in this time. No, it's very bad. We should stop investing. They are all called Ponzi scheme. If there's anything that you want to tell me, you want to let me to know, I have come across a lot in life. I have come across a lot of all this kind of scammy stuff. So let me know. My WhatsApp number will be dropped under this video. So feel free to talk to me. Feel free to chat me on WhatsApp. It's not bad. If there's anybody that introduce you to something, let me know. I will tell you if it is real or fake. We have people that help, yes. We have people that tell people, give people updates that works, but not this type. It's really very bad that people fall victim, and which I'm not really happy about it. Very bad. Alright now guys, it's good to have you guys, and I hope you enjoyed my video. Thank you. Bye. Thanks.